Good morning.
Good morning. Today's adventure is checking out the Jurong Bird Park here in Singapore. So let's go.
Woo!
This is how hot it is right now in Singapore. This is only 5 minutes since I wiped myself dry. It's in my eye. It's drying out my contacts. But you know what? This Jurong Bird Park is like really cool. It has all these like a ton of cool types of birds.
Pigeons are beautiful. They're not the common ones you see in America.
Our pigeons at home are kind of dookie. So.
He's by my foot. I think it's a nest. Come here. Come here. Come on. Hi. Hi, buddy. Aw. Good job. Good job.
Woo! 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 Hey guys, so we're just finishing here at the Jurong Bird Park and it's an awesome park. There's honestly like 3,000, over 3,000 birds and 400 species.
And our favorite part of the park was the lorry loft. It's got these really neat bridges and you can feed the lorries. They're so friendly that you actually don't even need to have food. We just like held out our arm and like climbed onto it. So that was really neat.
Yeah, and also there is a paid tram here. So what we did was we walked around the whole park by ourselves. The paid tram takes you to each section of the park, but it's it's convenient but not necessary. So, and another quick tip is that you should definitely buy your tickets online because there is a 10% discount if you buy them online. So definitely do that. What else?
I think that's it.
Nope, that's it. So.
Come check out Jurong Bird Park next time you come to
Singapore and go ahead and choose your next adventure. Oh shit!